UIM342's evaluation kit is a fully functioning control system, including one UIM2513 RS232 CAN gateway, one NEMA 8 sub-miniature all-in-one smart servo stepper, one NEMA 11 integrated smart servo stepper, power supply, cables, and accessories. UIM342's kit includes free debugging control software, along with a comprehensive SDK, lib, DLL, and example codes in both C++ and C#. This CNC stepper motor kit is easy to use, plug and play, and fully tested at the factory. Any questions can feel free to contact us. Suitable for various occasions, such as hospitals, laboratories, schools, factories, offices, etc. By utilizing modular products, users can complete the design and production in a significantly shortened period of time. Eurobot is committed to developing practical modular industrial automation control systems, including stepper servo motors, control converter gateways, digital I or O controllers, industrial fanless mini PCs, and more. UI Robot. Simple, robust, compact,